Hey, this is Raul from Tutor Ming, and today we're talking about the Lantern Festival, which marks the end of Chinese New Year. So there's two different ways of saying Lantern Festival in Chinese, and the first one is Yuan Xiao Jie, which directly translates into First Night Festival. The second way of referring to the Lantern Festival in Chinese is Shang Yuan Jie, which means the first night. Why is it called Lantern Festival in English then? Simple. Watching lanterns of different shapes and sizes is one of the main attractions. What is the origin of the Lantern Festival then? There's a few different versions, and this is one of the legends behind it. Long time ago, there was a beautiful crane that flew from heaven to earth. The villagers that found it hunted it and killed it. This was the Jade Emperor's favorite crane, so he got so upset that decided to destroy the whole village. The Jade Emperor's daughter warned the village, and a wise man instructed the villagers to hang red lanterns around their houses and explode firecrackers. When the army of the Jade Emperor coming to destroy the city saw this, they thought the village was already being destroyed, so they left it alone, and therefore the villagers were safe and happy that the lanterns and firecrackers had saved them. Lantern in Chinese is "灯笼", and "bian pao" is firecracker. Now the action of lighting or exploding firecrackers in Chinese is "fang bian pao". And another really big custom during the Lantern Festival is 舞狮, lion dances, as well as 舞龙, dragon dances. The main difference between these two, other than the fact that one is a lion and another one has the face of a dragon, is that lion dances are usually done by two people. While with dragon dances, the dragon is much longer, so many more people are needed for it to be performed. Chinese people will gather and eat Yuan Xiao, which can also be called Tang Yuan, which we've seen before are glutinous rice balls that are usually sweet, and once again, people will go out to watch lanterns as well as the first full moon of the year. This is why many consider the Lantern Festival to be the original Chinese Valentine's Day, because in the old days, young Chinese used to use this festival as the best excuse to be with their crush. Make sure to check out tutorming.com for an actual Chinese class with native Chinese speakers, and also check out the Tutor Ming blog. Bye-bye!